In this video, I'm going to show you how to add games to the NVIDIA app. If your installed games aren't showing up in the NVIDIA app, you can manually add their folders and run a new scan. Let's get started. First, open the NVIDIA app on your computer. Once the application opens, click on Settings from the menu on the left-hand side. Next, scroll down until you find the Games and Apps section. Click on Scan Now. The NVIDIA app will automatically search your computer for supported games and applications. If your game still doesn't appear after the scan, click on View and Modify. Then click Add. Now browse to the folder where your games are installed. For example, if your games are stored on another drive, such as Drive D, open that drive and locate your Games folder. Select the folder that contains your installed games and click Select Folder. The folder will now be added to the scan locations. Click Close. Next, click Scan Now once again. Wait for the scan to complete. The NVIDIA app will now search the newly added folder and detect any supported games installed there. Once the scan finishes, click Home from the left-hand menu, then select See All to view your game library. You should now see your newly detected games listed in the NVIDIA app. And that's how to add games to the NVIDIA app. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more PC gaming tutorials and troubleshooting guides.